Hi guys, this is 2006 Mazda CX7. I have to check for this car for the oil pressure. So I already put my oil pressure gauge in here. So and we have to get the temperature of the half temperature. That means so I already took off the oil pressure switch in here, and I put the oil pressure gauge in here. You can see. So I'm going to start the car, then we have to get the working temperature. The temperature is getting nearly half. So the oil light is on because I off the sensor, that's why. So we're getting half temperature. So okay, you can see that the temperature gauge is the halfway now, and the oil pressure in getting PSI nearly 15, close to 15 PSI. So that's for the idling, and we have to check for the 3000 RPM for the specs. Okay guys, this is the idling of the engine. The oil pressure is very low. This should be in the specs 43 psi and to 79 psi, that between. But this one is very low. I'm going to accelerate for the oil pressure, how to get the 4000 RPM. So you can see not in the minimum spec for this car. So it's very low pressure. Should be in the some feed lines is blockage, or some oil pump is inside burning. So otherwise, this case you have to replace the whole motor. So this is the end of my video. We see you in the next one. Thanks.